question of network division circuit. So voltage is applied, okay, across the uniform doped silicon. The sample is given here. So from this one, actually you want to just write the slope of the curve. Okay, so always there be slope of the curve if there comes a doping. Okay, slope of the curve. How can I write? Means you can write mu n. Okay, mu n is equal to Vd, small vd divided by a capital E. Okay, and we can go for the calculation part. So I can go for the calculation part. So length of the semiconductor. Okay, length of a semiconductor. So length of a semi and then a conductor short form I write. So length is equal to 0. Here 1 mu m is it, right? So we can take the 1 mu m because there is 0, length cannot be 0, 1 mu m. And drift velocity. So drift velocity of electrons. So drift velocity of electrons, which is equal to, what is the velocity they have given? Vd. This is the d for drift, v for velocity. 10 power 4 meter per second. So 10 power 4 meter per second. So they have applied a voltage of 2 volt. You can see across the applied voltage is equal to 2 volts. That 2 volts is available here. Is it right? So now we have to find the electric field because this E is available, right? This E. So that's why you have to find the electric field. So in electric field, what you have, the formula is applied voltage. So how the electric field is there means based on the voltage and based on the length also. Applied voltage, that is equal to, what's the voltage? So you know that 2 volts. What is the length? 1 mu m, is it right? So I can write 1 mu m. So automatically it will be safe. Okay. Then next you have to find the mobility of electron. So next you have to find the mobility of electron. So mobility of electron I can write here as, so what is that? So mobility mu n, is it right? Vd, what is Vd? So Vd is 10 power 4, 10 to the power 4 divided by, what is E is 2, that is equal to 2, is it right? So 2 is equal to 2. So I can write 2. So 10 power 4 means what? You can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros divided by 2, that is equal to 500 mu. Okay, mu should be the mu m square voltage per second. So automatically you have to get the answer of, I'm sorry, this is 5000, right? Sorry, 5000 because 30 out there. So option 2 is the right answer. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box.